So if you don't have Photoshop, you're going to have to do things the manual way to create this Facebook cover photo, but it's pretty easy. First, get a big image and find a spot you want to use for your profile picture. In this case, I'm going to use Spider-Man's face. And then the rest of this background with Venom is going to be the cover photo. Select the part that you want to be your profile picture, and it should be a 180 by 180 square. You may have to resize the entire image to make this small enough. Crop that selection of the image and save it. We're going to save it just right here on my desktop as profilepic.jpg. Then go back to your image editor when you are done and hit undo. This should take you back to the full image, and that 180 by 80 selection should still be selected. Don't unselect it. Instead, grab the left edge and drag it out about 80 pixels so that the square becomes 220 by 180. Then, once you've got that, grab the bottom edge and drag it up 56 pixels so your selection becomes a small 220 by 124 rectangle. Again, at this point, we haven't moved the selection at all, we've just dragged the left and bottom edges. Next, grab that right edge of the selection and drag it all the way out so it becomes 1,225 pixels wide. In this particular case, you'll notice that the image is not wide enough, and this is why it's important to choose a very big image. We're just going to continue as if there's nothing wrong, but that's a problem you might run into. Lastly, grab the top edge and drag it up so it is 452 pixels tall. You should now have a 1,225 pixel by 452 pixel image, and that is going to be your cover photo. So just crop that and save it to your desktop as coverphoto.jpg or whatever you want. And you're done. Now in this case, with a photo like this, you could actually extend the photo and use something like the clone stamp tool to at least make it passable. But with a lot of photos, this isn't possible, and you just have to try and find one that's big enough. Lastly, head into Facebook and click on Change Cover. Upload your cover photo that you created. And do the same with your profile picture. When you're done, you should have a pretty awesome looking profile. If you have any cool ones that you've created, be sure to share them in the comments below, and good luck!